Yo, it's good YouTube, this is Angry With You, and today you guys this is gonna be the final section in the project. And what we're basically gonna be doing is, first of all, we're gonna be showing up the challenge that is gonna be in the project, and basically we're gonna be doing the footer and the social media. Okay, we're not gonna be doing the nav dots. I don't think it's necessary, but what I did over here is basically that I assigned just an object for the social media, and inside it I just added in icons, MDB React icons, and just a link, and I mapped over them over here. Okay, so one last thing, just make sure to change all the links as well all in the project to link. Okay, so where are we gonna get that link from? We're gonna import a link, okay, from React router DOM. Okay, so that is gonna be basically in the social media section, the nav section, as well. Change the link over there, and of course in the footer. So here is the example for the footer. Okay, so link as well. Again, I have two objects over here, one for the memberships and one for the links over here. So right now it does not work, as you could see. It actually does work because I did update them, but anyways, so this is the challenge that we're going to be doing over here. Again, just change the links over here, because if you don't do that, you're not going to be able to deploy the website correctly. Okay, and just let me start by fixing the errors in the project. Okay, so I just mentioned comments over here. So just go to your about cards, remove the empty fragment I wrapped over here. Okay, so this is, I'm just tracing out the errors I made. Okay, so you could deploy the project. Number two, in the classes card, just remove that string concatenation. That there was an empty string over here that was like this. So we don't want that. So yeah, as you can see here, that error again, just remove that and just add in that n that is in the classes card. So if you go into the classes card, you're gonna find that there's gonna be a space as well, but we're not gonna use that empty string. Same thing in the membership card as well. And finally, the navigation bar, just make sure to remove the home page over here and just use the code that I used over here, which is basically just using two methods. They're replaced, and we don't have any sections, so we don't really need that second replace. So link.replace and just the link, so we don't show the user over here. And finally, to local uppercase, just to make everything uppercase for the pages and everything. Okay, so after fixing the errors, you guys, and the challenge for the video, you could basically just deploy the website, and you can deploy it right now if you don't have any errors, if you already fixed that on your own. So just clear and go into your CMD, do over here in your front end folder, so just cd into your gem front end folder, yarn build. Again, just make sure to have no errors or this will not work. Netlify client, I'm going to search something on Google called Netlify client while this is installing. So npm install Netlify client then globally. So just make sure that is installed. Again, you could just open up another terminal and go into your front end and do netlify login. Okay, I already did that before, so it's not gonna work. And netlify init. So after you do netlify init, it's just gonna basically tell you to create a new project page. So when you create that project page, all you really need to do is just go into your Sanity and just log in, because we're just going to add in the API access token for the link that you want to deploy to. So just go into API over here and just make sure to add in the course origins for your Netlify application. So we're just going to leave that later, but after that, all you really need to do after the yarn build is done is just do netlify deploy and then production, okay? So this is called continuous deployment, by the way. And just make sure to add in the link for your netlify application over here. You could change the site link from the netlify itself. So if I just go into netlify and log in, you could see we just deployed it right now. And here it is. So you have this beautiful gym. And again, I just changed the about page instead of a section to a page on its own, okay? Here's the social media links. Here's the footer. Everything is done. We could also go to the membership page, go to the classes, go to the contact, and everything is working. Let's even test that email deployed successfully. We just need the notification to actually show up. That would be cool. Hey, so that's pretty much it. So we're pretty much done with the series. You guys comment, like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about the series. If you have any questions, I'm gonna put the repository just afterwards. I make a public one for you guys. And I'm just gonna remove the API keys. You could do this on your own with the API keys that you're gonna define for yourself. Alright, so comment, like, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next series. Peace. This was MDB React.